Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are good and doing well at home. So students, as you know, our online exams are going to be started. So that's why we are taking the revision lectures. So in this lecture, what you have to do, I'm just going to give you some questions and you have to attempt it by yourself. It is just like a test, okay? It is just like your revision test. So here I'm going to give you the question number one. Okay, so in question number one, what you have to do, attempt question number 6 of exercise number 1.2. Also draw Venn diagram. Okay. Exercise number 1.2, you have to open your book, and in open your book, you must have exercise 1.2. And question number 4 is this one. Sorry, question number 6. So you have to attempt this question, which is question number 6. If A is equals to A, B, C, and B is equals to B, C, D, then find A union B and A intersection B. Also, you have to draw a Venn diagram. So everyone, please start your work. Everyone, please start your work. And you have to do, just copy down the question and please show your work to me. Okay, the question that you are attempting, मुझे आप सबका वर्क नज़र आना चाहिए जो कॉपी में यू अप कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, कॉपी वर्क शो कीजिए मुझे. कैमरे को फोकस कीजिए ऑन योर कॉपी. Focus camera on your copy if it is possible. Okay, so start solving question number 6. You have to solve this question, question number 6 of exercise 1.2. Okay, so let's start your work. Then find A union B and A intersection B. Also draw Venn diagram. Okay, start solving it. It is just like your test, so you have to solve it by yourself. Okay, you should know how you are going to find out union and intersection. Okay, Omar bin Salman, please focus on your work. Focus the camera on your work so that I can see what are you doing here. Jawad Karim, what are you looking for, bete? What are you doing? Hmm? Miriam, just a minute. Okay, now how will you find A union B? You will write A union B is equals to elements of set A in curly bracket. Very good. B, C, unions. Yes, curly bracket. B, C, D. Very good. Now you will find out the union of these two sets. So what will be the answer for this one? Okay, A union B is equals to, very good. In the union, what you will do, you will combine both the sets. Okay, very good. Now, after that, just leave the space here. Just leave some space and then first find A intersection B and then draw the Venn diagram. Okay, first find out A intersection B. Very good. Who is this? Okay, Aiza, I can't see your work. Okay, okay, intersection. In intersection, what you will do? No, no, no. In intersection, you will write the elements that are same between in these two sets. So what are the same elements? Apart from C, another element is B and C. Now, that's the right answer. Now start drawing Venn diagram. So first of all, you have to decide which type of Venn diagram are you doing. Overlapping circles or the disjoint circles. You have to decide here. Hmm? Please tell me. Okay, Hania, your answer is right. Still camera of Sohima, Naima, Raja, and those students whose cameras are not on, I'm going to put you again in waiting room. Hurry up. I'm going to put you all in waiting room. Please turn on your camera. I'm just giving you 2 minutes. Hurry up. Okay, student, please. Okay, Viram, I'm going to check your work. Viram, your camera is not that much visible. So every time it is very difficult for me. Okay, just give me a minute. Um, intersection की diagram कर लेते हैं. We will color only those elements that are present in the answer. Intersection diagram is wrong. Haya, what are you writing here? Why you are writing A, B, C in all the circles? B, C is a common one. So simply in the circle A, you will write A, and in circle B, you will write simply D. That's it. Iman, now I'm going to put you in waiting room because no camera, no class. Marusha, now you are in waiting room. Hamna, waiting room again. Raja Rizwan, waiting room. Naima, waiting room. Turn on your camera, everyone. Okay, Anshia, I'm going to check your work. Okay, so Hema, just give me a minute. I'm going to check your work. Uh-huh, very good. Just hold on. So Hema, just hold on. Show the A union B answer. Just hold on. A union B, upper one. Just hold on. That's it. Now, this is good. Okay, now what is missing here? You have to write here below bottom of the diagram. That is, this is A union B. That how can I figure out which one is this? So this is A union B. So you have to label it. Okay, now move on to A intersection B. Show A intersection B. Zen, मैंने आपको disconnect किया because your camera is not on. Turn on your camera, otherwise I'm going to put you in waiting room again, Zen. Okay, now similarly, Suhima, this one is absolutely right. Just what is missing here? Labeling. That is A union B and A intersection B. Okay, Umar Nadeem, I'm checking your work. Okay, Umar Nadeem, again, one thing is missing here. That is you have to write A union B. Below the figure, you have to write A union B and A intersection B. Okay, A intersection B, the answer of A intersection B is wrong. In intersection, we will write only those elements which are same in both the sets. Okay, so only write down those elements which are same or which are common in both sets. Just a minute here. So answer is wrong, Umar Nadeem. Yeah, this will be only B and C. This will be only B and C. Then I'm going to put you in waiting room because your camera is not on. Okay, on Sheikh, show your work. On Sheikh, show your work. Okay, Hania. Okay, you are still doing color it, then I'm going to check your work. Okay, Hania, be ready. I'm coming to you. Wrong, Hania. Wrong. This is wrong. No, Hania, this is wrong. You have to color all those circles, all those elements that are present in the answer. So in union, you have A, B, C, D. So you have to color it. Okay, who is this? This one is absolutely right. Everyone look at here. A union B. But what is missing here? Hadika, please write it down in step number 2 that A union B is equals to. Write it down here. A union B is equals to A, B, C, D. Okay, this is right. Okay, on shape, kindly look at here. This one is right. You have to color both the circles. And why you are coloring? Because in the answer, again, what is missing here? Now, similarly, you have to write here A intersection B at the bottom of the diagram. At the bottom of the diagram, write A intersection B, and answer of A intersection B is wrong. Now, everyone, those who are doing the wrong work, please listen to me very carefully. Now, look at here. I'm going to explain what you are doing, why you are doing your wrong work. Number one, what you have to find out A union B. Okay, A union B. So you will write here A, B, C, union B, C, D. Okay, just a minute, Iman. Now, what you have to do, you have to combine two sets in such a way that the numbers that are repeating, you have to write it only once. Okay, so answer will be A union B is equals to A, B, C, D. Okay, this will be the answer, right? This will be the answer. Now, if you are going to draw the Venn diagram, since these are overlapping sets, so you will make overlapping circles here, just like this. Okay, this is circle A and union, and this is circle B. Okay, so what are common here? This BC. So you will write it down here, B and C. Okay, element A is a member of set A, so you will write down here. D is the member of set B, so you will write it down here D. Okay, you will write it down here D. Understand? Now if you are going to color it, so all the elements are present in the answer, so you will color this whole thing. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Look at here. Now second one is A intersection B. Again you will write it down, set A element which are A, B and C, intersection B, C, D. Okay, in intersection, what you will write? Those elements which are same, or those elements which are common between two sets. Okay, so what are those same elements? Number one is B. Number one is B, and then this C. So you will write B and C will be the answer. Again, circles are overlapping, so you will make overlapping circles here. Okay, B, C is common, so you will write it down here. This is A and this is D, and this will be A intersection B. Since you are making here A intersection B diagram, so you will color only those elements which are present in the answer. So BC is present, so you will color BC. That's it. So this is the way to solve this question. Now everyone, please tell me if you done, so that we can move on to the next one. Is this? Haya, what is missing here? You just forget to write here A intersection B at the bottom of the diagram. Write A intersection B. Okay, who is this? This is absolutely right, Aiza. Very good. Aiza, this is A union B. First one. A union B. आपने intersection क्यों कर दिया वहाँ पे? Okay, who is this? Very good, Iman Adnan. Very good. Very neat and tidy work. This type of work is very good. Very good. Everyone can look here. This is good work. Very good, Iman. Now, everyone, I hope all of you have done. Please tell me, have you done? Please tell me if you're done. अभी जिनके कैमरास ऑन नहीं है मैं इनको लास्ट वार्निंग दे रही हूँ. अब्बास, अब्दुल्ला इरफान, अनाबिया. Abbas, please reply. Abbas, Abdullah Irfan, and Anabia, please reply. Okay, now move on to the next question. Now, what is your next question? Attempt question number 24 of exercise 10.3. Everyone. Attempt question number 24 of exercise 10.3. Start your work. 24 question exercise number 10.3. Open your books. Question number 24, exercise number 10.3. Hurry up. Okay, question number 24 is difference of two number. Open your books. Exercise number 10.3. This is exercise 10.3 and question number 24 is difference of two number is 8. If the smaller number is 3, find the greater number. Here, start your work. Difference of two numbers is 8. Yes, class. Difference of two number is 8. Let the number be x. No. Let the number be x. That's it. No, 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 no. Smaller number क्या है 3 है. When greater number is x, so you will write let the greater number be x. Let the two number नहीं, let the greater number be x. Let the greater number be x. Yes. अब greater आपके पास x है, so difference of two numbers. So greater is x, so first you will write x. Okay, first you will write x. Then difference है, so what you will write, plus or minus? Difference means plus or minus? Minus. X minus x minus smaller number क्या है आपके पास 3. Very good. Smaller number is 3. X minus 3 is equals to 8. Now minus 3, so what you will do? Plus 3. Very good. 8 plus 3. Very good. Good. Very good. Now perform verification. Hadika, where is your camera? Okay, so Hema, just a minute. Let the greater number. Okay, show steps of verification. Neat work. Very good. Very good. Very good, Sahima. Okay, Umar, what are you doing, bete? Very good, Sahima. Okay, replacing x by 11, we get. Okay. Up instead of x, what you will write? 11. 11 minus 3 is equals to 8. And it will be 11 minus 3. Answer of 11 minus 3 will be 8. is equals to A. Now you will write here, hence the greater, no, this is not your answer. This is not your answer. Cut it. This is not your answer, bete. Hmm. You will write, hence the greater number is, now you have to decide which one is your greater number. Hence the greater number is, hmm, very good. This is your answer. That's it. No need to write answer. That's just as your result. Okay, Yusera, where are you? Abdullah Irfan, where are you? Yusera and Abdullah Irfan. Okay, Hani, I'm going to check your one. Okay. I can't see your work, bete. It is not clear. Iman Adnan, where is your camera? बेटा ये क्या बात है, ये कैमरे में प्रॉब्लम है, so you have to figure it out now. If there is some problem, so how can I check your work? Okay, बेटे. Okay, Naima, now you are in waiting room. You said I'm going to put you in waiting room. Marusha, waiting room. You said Sana Hafiz, Raja Rizwan. बेटा वेटिंग रूम. ये तो कैमरा ऑन कीजिए, मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा आप दोनों क्या कर रहे हैं. Okay, done. Good. Okay, I think all of you have done, right? Have you done? Okay, Omar bin Salman, show your work. Okay, Hania. Umar bin Salman, show your work right now. Oh God. Show your work. Okay, on. Just a minute. Umar bin Salman, this was your previous question. Why you are writing BC twice, beta? Show the A union B to me. Show A union. Why you are so late? A, B, C, B. What are you doing? Why you are writing BC two times? Okay, yes, you have cut it. Okay, now move on to the next one. This is A intersection B. Okay, that's good. Now, what about question number 24? Where is question number 24, Umar? You are still, you haven't started yet. That's not good. Do it fast. Okay, who is this? On chair. Good. Okay, on, very good. Okay, who is this? Next is Omar Nadeem. Okay, Omar, where is the result? Omar, where is the result? Hence, the greater number is 11. Okay, that's good. Now start the next question. Everyone, now start next question. Look at here. The last question. Attempt question number 2, bit number 2 of exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1. Question number 2, bit number 2, 6.4. What is question number 2? Draw circles of the following diameters. Diameter is given to you. Diameter is given. So obviously you will perform calculation here. Hurry up. Start your work first. Copy down the question. Hmm. Is everyone start your work? Question number 2, bit number 2. For this question, draw a circle of the following diameter. Question number 2, bit number 2. Draw a circle of the following diameter. Question number 2, bit number 2. Draw a circle of the following diameter. Bit number 2 is 6.4 centimeter. Yes, hurry up, start your work. Now, for this, what you will do, you will write down the data first, heading of data. What is given to you? Diameter is given. So you will write D is equals to 6.4 centimeter. And radius आपको identify find out करना है तो small r is equals to question mark. Now write down formula. What is the formula to find out radius? R is equals to D upon 2. Now solution heading. Put the value of diameter in the above formula. 6.4 centimeter. Where do now? Just cancel it, or you can divide it in the working column. It's up to you. कैंसिल कर सकती हैं तो कैंसिल कर लीजिए, यहाँ पे कैंसिलेशन भी हो सकती है. हम्म 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 2 2s are 4 और डेसिमल आएगा, पहले 3 आएगा फिर डेसिमल 3 पॉइंट, क्योंकि डेसिमल है ना तो डेसिमल वहीं रहेगा. सो r इज इक्वल्स टू 3.2 सेंटीमीटर. और एक बार इसको ज़रा यहाँ पे वर्किंग कॉलम में भी करके दिखाइए सबको. यस, वर्किंग कॉलम. वेरी गुड. We'll write here. Divide 6.4 with 2. Okay, on. I have checked your work. Now start drawing it. You have to draw the circle now. So bring the compass and draw it. Draw the circle. Okay. Decimal ऊपर आ जाएगा. Answer will be 3.2 centimeter. Now what you have to do, you have to open your compass. No, do not need, no need to write result. No need to write result. Just open your compass around 3.2 centimeter and draw the circle. Yes. अभी आप इसको उसको साइड पर रख दीजिए कैमरे को, क्योंकि एक हाथ से काम कर रही हैं आप. ड्रॉ कर लीजिए, देन शो इट टू अस. ओके. सिर्फ कॉम्पस को क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा सा अपने कैमरे को नीचे कीजिए बेटे. हाया, थोड़ा सा नीचे करिए, थोड़ा सा. वेरी गुड. नाउ लुक एट हियर एवरीवन. हाँ, इस तरह से ना कि आपका कॉपी वर्क नजर आ जाए. Yes. Now what you have to do, you have to open your compass around 3.2 centimeter. Okay. Open your compass around 3.2 centimeter. Okay. Okay. 3.2 centimeter with the help of scale. Just like this, just like on is doing. 3.2 centimeter. Now place the needle of the compass. Now draw the circle. Oh, draw again. Draw again. The time is running out, so please hurry up. Very good. Yes. Now please tell us how you will label it. First point it out the needle, where you put the needle. Yes. Now draw a line. Now please tell me, is it 6.4 or not? No, not 3.2. You have to mark 6.4 diameter given है ना. तो total आप diameter measure कीजिए कितना आ रहा है. Total diameter. No, yes. Total diameter. Very good. Now it is 6.4. Is it 6.4? Okay, okay, fine. Is it 6.4? Just uh, move your head. Okay, fine. Good. Okay, I'm going to check Haya's work. Haya, just a minute, Haya. Okay, Haya, make a line here. निडल कहाँ रखी थी? कंपास की निडल कहाँ है? मुझे वो पॉइंट बताइए. Haya, where you put the needle of the compass? Here. Now you have to draw a line segment here. Draw a line segment. Hmm. Draw a line segment, and that line segment should be of 6.4 centimeter. It should be of 6.4 centimeter. Hmm. Total एक पॉइंट से लेके दूसरी. Yes. Hmm. Now measure it. Is it 6.4 centimeter? Measure it. 6.4 है. Total zero से start कीजिए. Yes. Is it 6.4? Say yes or no with your head. Yes, very good. Now make the points. The center point will be point O. Write it down there. The center point where you put the needle of the compass. Yes, this is O. Okay, now this is point A. This is point A, this one. A, and this is B. Yes, and you will write D is equals to 6.4 centimeter. Right here, D is equals to 6.4 centimeter. इधर जहाँ ये लिखा है ना, यहाँ. Yes, here 6.4 लिखा है ना आपने, उसके साथ देखिए D is equals to. Okay, fine. Fine, fine. That's good. Okay, now class, I'm going to end the lecture here. We are. I'm going to end the lecture here. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz Haya. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Okay. Next mock state I will announce on Google Classroom. Okay. Mock number 2 test. I'm going to announce it on Google Classroom. So you have to prepare for it. Okay.